DSU Scholarship is another regional, need-based, fully funded scholarship in Italy. It is a little different than EDISU, Lazio Disco, Ergo, Aliseo, and Ursu. The rules are the same, but the method of document submission, universities, deadlines, and regions are different. So any international student who got admission to any public university in Tuscany region can apply for it. The list of universities for the DSU Scholarship is also given below. Diritto allo Studio Universitario, or DSU, is a fully funded Italian regional scholarship that can grant a sum of up to €6,806. If the hostel and two-time meal is given, then the grant will be deducted accordingly, depending upon your income status and ISEE. DSU Scholarship, Italy. 1. What are the benefits of the DSU Scholarship? 2. Who can apply for the DSU Scholarship? 3. Who can't apply for the DSU Scholarship? 4. Which documents are required for the DSU Scholarship? 5. How to apply for a DSU Scholarship? 6. What are the deadlines for the DSU Scholarship?
What are the benefits of DSU Scholarship? DSU mainly provides 4 benefits to its scholarship holders: 2 free meals per day for a whole year, the tuition fee is fully covered, hostel accommodation or coverage of living, renting expenses if you are living outside the DSU residence. A total sum of €6,806 will be given. If the hostel and two-time meal is given, then the grant will be deducted accordingly. Note, the DSU grant strictly depends on the student's income status, ISE, and merit. Check the ISE breakdown of DSU here. In the first year, it's mostly income need base, but in second year, it also gets merit base. 2. Who can apply for the DSU Scholarship? Eligibility criteria of DSU. National and international students of bachelor's, master's, and PhD students from all areas, disciplines, and nationalities can apply for DSU. There are no age restrictions for the DSU Scholarship. Anyone who got admission to an Italian university can apply for DSU in that specific region. Students should be enrolled or at least finish the pre-enrollment process before applying for the DSU Scholarship. There are no IELTS, experience letter, or any kind of entry test required for DSU. These documents could be required for the specific universities and disciplines, but not for the DSU application. The income of the applicant must be less than €25,000 per annum to be eligible. The applicant can get all the privileges of hostel and canteen, etc., if the income is less than €12,000 per annum. The less the income is, the more benefits they will get. The merit may change every year. It depends upon how many students applied per year. PhD students are only eligible if they aren't beneficiaries or taking other research funds. Remember, one can be eligible for the DSU Scholarship, but still fail to get the scholarship because of not fulfilling the income or merit criteria. 3. Who can't apply for a DSU Scholarship? Not eligible for DSU Scholarship. Applicants who are already getting benefits from another scholarship or fund from any public or private institution are not eligible for DSU. Students who are repeating the year or enrolled on a part-time basis. Applicants who didn't submit their documents by the deadline. Applicants who submitted wrong or untruthful documents. Applicants who are already holding a degree awarded in Italy that is equal to or higher than the program for which the grant is requested. 4. Which documents are required for DSU Scholarship? 1. Family Income Certificate. 2. Bank certificate. 3. Property certificate. 4. FRC, Family Registration Certificate. 5. Codice Fiscale. 6. ISEE Parificato. 7. Passport or ID. 8. Italian translation of the documents. 9. University admission pre-enrollment letter. 10. DOV, CIMEA, self-declaration, additional document. 11. Academic transcripts, additional document. 12. CV, additional document. 13. Course description, additional document. 14. IELTS or English proficiency, additional documents.
5. How to apply for DSU Scholarship. It's a 4-step process. 1. Check regional scholarship. 2. Prepare the set of documents. 3. Fill out and submit the application. 4. Print and verification. Step number 1. Check the regional scholarship. First, check out which regional scholarship your university is offering. Whether your university is offering DSU or other Italian regional scholarships, like ISEE, Lazio DSU, ERSU, Ergo, Aliseo, etc. To check this, go to your university's official website. In the top menu, there would be a scholarship option for international students. For example, in the case of UNIP, University of Pisa, go to the UNIP official website, Study, Fees and Grants, DSU Scholarship. You can see the DSU Scholarship is mentioned on UNIP website. The applicant can do the same method for every university to find out which regional scholarships is applicable in their Italian host university. Step number 2. Prepare the set of documents. Gather all the documents discussed in this blog. Carefully read the criteria of documents. Applicants only need the essential documents, which is income certificate, property certificate, bank statement, family details certificate, FRC, passport copy. Step number 3. Fill and submit the application. Go to the DSU Toscana website, then Borse e Contributi, then Borse di Studioso, then Sportello Studente, then Registration. If you translate the website into English, then DSU Toscana website, then Grant and Grants, then Scholarships, then Student Desk, then Register, create new user. Step number 4. Print and verification. After filling out the application, the applicant should print out the receipt, which is at the end of the application, attach the required documents in original form, and send them to their country consulates in Italy for Italian language translation and verification. They will paste a revenue stamp, marca da bollo, on the document. Pakistani applicants should send it to the Pakistani embassy in Milan for verification. Other applicants should send it to their respective embassies in Italy, but the whole process is just the same. Applicants can request other students to do this for them. 6. What are the deadlines for the DSU Scholarship? The deadline for submitting the DSU Scholarship, Tuscany, for 2026-2027 is September 5, 2025. A similar timeline is expected for 2026 for students enrolled or intending to enroll in the 3-year, master's, and single-cycle degree courses. Scholarships in Italy, including those for doctoral and specialization courses, are managed regionally. The deadline for most DSU scholarships for the academic year 2025-2026 was September 5, and this timeline is expected to be similar for 2026-2027. The final ranking will be published in late November 2026 for bachelor's, master's, and PhD programs. November 2026 for those enrolled in PhD and specialization courses.
Generally speaking, this scholarship opens in mid-July 2026.